few people wanted access to drying ovens, and so I made this video to help everybody all at once and not have to explain this 12 times. So the drying oven is in 104. I will try to leave this door unlocked. If it's locked, you can have anybody let you in. This guy right here is the drying oven. There is an on switch down here. It needs to be in the on position. And then we've got a temperature dial right here. You'll note that their numbers here do not really correspond to actual temperature, but there is a mark right around where the 3 is. And then this little light is solid when it's heating and blinking when it's kind of hovering around the right temperature. How do we know what's the right temperature? Well, there's a little thermometer in the top here. I just now turned it on so you can see that it's just above, about 20 some degrees centigrade. It should not be hotter than, so 30, 40, 50, 60. It should not be much hotter than 40 or 42 degrees centigrade. So if the dial is above there, there's a good chance you're gonna burn your plants. So have a look at the dial. It's got a weird set of doors. If you pull this one open, no problem. If you try to pull this one open, you gotta open both of them at the same time because there's a little tab there. This is the inside of the drying oven. Note that the thermometer sticks down in here. So if you bend that, it's gonna damage the thermometer, so be careful. So you'll take your plants in the inside the plant press and just put them on this shelf somewhere. There should be enough room for everybody that needs them. Close the doors in this order. When the oven is at the right temperature, so 40 or 45 or so degrees centigrade, not much beyond 42. When it's at that temperature, the plants will dry in the span of about 2 days, 3 days. You can leave them in there all you want as long as the oven does not get too hot. If the oven is too hot, then even 3 or 4 hours will burn them. Once they're dry, they're not going to get any drier. So you can leave your plants in there over the weekend for an entire week, and they will be fine. Take them out, and I will show you how to press them later on.